Welcome to Finxocapital Daily News, bringing you the most impactful financial market headlines. Let's dive into the day's market activities and explore the underlying economic indicators. The Nasdaq crossed 17,000 for the first time ever on Tuesday, boosted by gains in Nvidia, while the S&P 500 closed barely higher and the Dow ended lower as Treasury yields rose. Nvidia jumped 7% and boosted shares of other chip stocks as traders returned from a holiday-extended weekend. An index of semiconductors rose 1.9%. The S&P 500 technology sector led gains among sectors, while healthcare and industrials were the biggest decliners. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 216.73 points to 38,852.86. The S&P 500 gained 1.32 points to 5,306.04, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 99.09 points to 17,019.88. Wall Street has been hitting records recently as investors bet the U.S. central bank could kick off interest rate cuts this year. The dollar was stable on Wednesday on wagers. The Federal Reserve is unlikely to cut rates until later this year ahead of crucial inflation readings this week. The yen drifted to its weakest in 4 weeks. The dollar was also lifted by rising Treasury yields after a lackluster debt auction for sales of 2-year and 5-year notes. Finally, in oil markets, oil prices rose in Asian trading on Wednesday on expectations major producers will maintain output cuts at a meeting this Sunday. Brent crude futures for July delivery added 15 cents, or 0.2%, to $84.37 a barrel, and U.S. West Texas Intermediate futures for July climbed 25 cents, or 0.3%, to $80.08. Traders expect the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies to keep voluntary production cuts in place, which should support prices as consumption rises with the start of the peak summer demand season. That's all from Finxocapital Daily News for today. As the earnings season unfolds and more economic data comes in, we'll be here to cover all the key developments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.